Algorithmic trading, also known as algo trading, involves using computer algorithms to execute trades in financial markets. It utilizes mathematical models and automated trading rules to make decisions on when to buy or sell various financial instruments such as stocks, currencies, or derivatives. When selecting a suitable trading platform, it's important to consider factors such as user interface, security features, available assets, customer support, and fees. Take the time to research and compare different platforms to find the one that best meets your trading needs and preferences. When it comes to trading, understanding and selecting AI algorithms and models is crucial for success. It involves analyzing historical data, market trends, and complex patterns to make informed decisions. Data collection and pre-processing are essential steps in preparing input for artificial intelligence systems to ensure accurate and reliable results. Data is collected from various sources such as sensors, databases, and user inputs, and then pre-processed to remove noise, handle missing values, and normalize the data for AI algorithms. This process is crucial for training machine learning models and improving the performance of AI systems. Building and training the AI model for trading signals involves collecting and preparing historical market data, selecting the appropriate features, and using machine learning algorithms to train the model to identify patterns and trends in the market. It also requires continuous testing and refinement to ensure the model's accuracy and effectiveness in generating trading signals. Integrating the AI model with the trading platform involves incorporating advanced machine learning algorithms and predictive analytics into the system. This enables the platform to process large volumes of data in real time, identify trading patterns, and make informed decisions. By harnessing the power of AI, traders can gain valuable insights, automate routine tasks, and optimize their trading strategies for better outcomes. Deploying and monitoring the algorithmic trading system in real time involves implementing the trading algorithms and continuously overseeing their performance to ensure efficient and profitable trading.